What's up guys, welcome back to another drawing tutorial, a Partygoer from Backrooms. I watched that new movie, it's pretty good. You know what, the captain guy, I can't remember what it was called, the pirate guy. But yeah, creepy. So let's draw a Partygoer with the balloon, this sort of yellow guy. Start with the face. So he's kind of like looking at his balloon this way. So we'll do like those black sort of slits for eyes. So we just do one that way. And you can make it like a little bit thicker, maybe in the middle, you know, like a little bit heavier here, just like a darker line. And then we do the other one. So they can be kind of rough, you know, they don't have to be smooth lines or anything. And then like a weird creepy smile. And then kind of like it's open, so sort of maybe like make it a bit darker as well, kind of like the eyes. Now, so the head is weird, it's like a weird shape, so it like goes up, across, like this, and then sort of down the other side then. And the neck has just like loads of folds, so it's like just like goes in around here, so it's got like all these folding sort of skin bag lines. I think they're really weird. Backrooms is so creepy. I saw there's like a physical one you can go into, like you can, the Backrooms experience or something. I think I saw Jacksepticeye doing it. So like just make them all sort of textured as well. Okay, so shoulders that way, shoulder this way. And then we have like a chest sort of area. It's not like muscular or anything. It's a weird anamorphous kind of blob sort of thing with all these lines. Like that. That's like the chest cavity sort of area. They're kind of dirty, you know, they're kind of rough. And then we get more sort of folds just bumping down here. There's like a belly button, I think, in this area. And then more of these skin folds. I think just all here. And then the legs just come down off the page here. And the legs are kind of crossed, so we just get this sort of letter Y sort of shape for where the legs crisscross. Right, and then his hands are like no fingers. I've seen some of them that do have fingers, but this one doesn't. It's kind of like an octopus or something. So we get like the bicep and then the tricep. And then there's like a long forearm. Like so. And then we get this round sort of saucer kind of shape. Like that. It's like a mitten or something. And then in there, there's all teeth, right? So there's like an area inside here. And it has like teeth coming around. teeth kind of stick up on this side then. I think there's rows of them inside too. Sort of like that. And we do something similar over this side. Bicep, tricep, and the forearm. This one will be holding the balloon, although it's kind of just, the balloon string is kind of just floating. So it goes out this way. We have this interior sort of part here. Just to add all these teeth. Okay, balloon then. So just a balloon shape. So it's kind of like the shape of a human head. You know, if you were drawn, say like Spider-Man's head. So you'll have like the round top part here, and it'll come down to the chin sort of down there. And then add Spider-Man's eyes. No. Bottom of it here. And then we go down this way for the string. And that's it. The creepy Partygoer. Hope it was helpful. What other creatures are in Backrooms? Like, I know there's the pirate guy and there was all those weird ones in the new movie, but these ones are weird. Anyway, hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching and subscribing and liking and all that good stuff. See you in the next one. Bye.